1951 wird auch der Name gefunden, der bald zu einem feststehenden Wertbegriff wird.
Das ist ein Fahrzeug, was ich in Europa eingeführt habe.
Das war ja einmalig.
Das Ansehen von Jungheinrich ist damit natürlich gestiegen.
Ein Fahrzeugkonzept, was es so noch nie gegeben hat.
2016, Jungheinrich is working on a project in Norderstedt that will change the development of industrial trucks. He has been involved in the project from the beginning.
Nils Sander heiße ich.
My name is Niels Sander. I'm a plant manager at Jungheinrich's plant in Norderstedt. Among other things, I'm in charge of the electronics production within the company, and lithium-ion technology plays a very big role, of course. A pioneering achievement made in Norderstedt is first presented at the Logimat convention. A sensation. Oh yes, that was a great moment. That was, of course, incredibly exciting. The ETV 216i is the first vehicle with a permanently installed lithium-ion battery and revolutionises the construction and design of industrial trucks. Today, the ETV forms the basis for the POWERLiNE and all lithium-ion powered industrial trucks.
Our yellow moment
was a vehicle concept that had never existed before, and to present it to the world for the first time, that is a moment I will never forget.
Das wird ein Moment, den ich nie vergessen werde.